Credit default swap. It works similar to insurance, protecting the buyer of this instrument from the default risk of whichever the financial instrument the investor has purchased. Let us look at an example of how it works and how it protects the buyer of the financial instrument. In this example, Mr. A has purchased a bond issued by ABC Bank and the bond amount is $100. That is, Mr. A has given $100 to ABC Bank and ABC Bank is going to return in the $100 to Mr. A after 5 years, and in return ABC Bank is going to make a payment of $5 every year to Mr. A, which is called the coupon rate. Now Mr. A has bought the financial instrument from ABC Bank. Now the thing which goes through Mr. A's mind is, what if the bank, ABC Bank, defaults on the payment after 5 years? So he thinks of getting a protection from the default risk. And what Mr. A does is he goes to XYZ Bank. It can be a bank or an insurance. He goes there and he tells them that, listen, I have purchased a bond which is issued by ABC Bank and they have promised to make me payment of $100 after 5 years. But I have a small doubt that in case if they fail to make the payment after 5 years, I'm going to lose my $100. So I want some kind of guarantee from you guys that in case if that bank fails to make the payment after 5 years, you guys will make the payment of $100 to me. So XYZ Bank tells Mr. A that definitely we can provide you that service, but we are going to charge you a small amount, which is $2 every year. As ABC Bank is going to give him $5, XYZ Bank says that we are going to charge you $2. So every year Mr. A has to give XYZ Bank $2 to get the guarantee that if in case ABC Bank defaults after 5 years in making the $100 payment, XYZ Bank is going to make the payment to Mr. A after 5 years. So this is how the credit default swap works. So here Mr. A is protecting himself from the default risk of ABC Bank by taking a insurance coverage from XYZ Bank. So here the $2 which XYZ Bank is charging can be higher if XYZ Bank thinks that ABC Bank has higher chance of going on default. So this rate can vary depending upon the default risk of the bank which is issuing the financial instrument. So this is just a small example of how credit default swap works. Thank you.